Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell digital downloads for free using a simple platform without any unnecessary fluff. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about pricing. The platform we'll be using has a free forever plan. The only cost to you is a 5% transaction fee. This means that whenever someone buys your product, 5% is taken off that transaction. Essentially, you can sell digital products for free. Now, let's go through the steps to set this up. We'll be using Payhip. Head over to payhip.com. You can find a link in the description or simply search for Payhip on Google. Once on Payhip, you'll see that you can sell digital downloads, courses, coaching sessions, and more. Enter your email address and click Get Started for free. Then fill in your first name, last name, and choose a password. Click to create your free Payhip account. Now that we're inside Payhip, it's time to create our store. First, enter a store name. If you're selling a wide range of digital products, choose a name that represents that variety. If you have niche products, choose a name that matches your niche. For this tutorial, I'll call my store Ween Boy. Don't worry about the store name being unique. You can name it anything. I'll use this for demonstration. We're now in the Payhip dashboard. Scroll down and follow the instructions to add a product, set up payment information, and customize your store. Let's add our first product. Click Add Product and choose Digital Product from the options. Upload your digital product file. For this example, I'll upload a YouTube thumbnail template. You can upload various file types, including PDFs and zip files. Give your product a title and set a price. You can choose the currency for the checkout page. I've titled my product YouTube Thumbnail Template and priced it at $100. You can also allow customers to enter their own price. For instance, setting it to 0+ means customers can pay any amount above 0. This is great for a donation-based system. For this tutorial, I'll leave the price at $100. Next, add images or videos to describe your product. You can create these using Canva, a free online photo editing platform. Go to canva.com, create a free account, and design your images. For the best results, use a 1920 x 1080 dimension for your designs. Upload your images to Payhip once you're done. Write a detailed description of your product. Explain what it is and what customers will receive. This is crucial for conversions. For this tutorial, I'll skip this step, but I highly recommend you add a comprehensive description. Keep the product visible and click Add Product. Your product is now live. You'll receive a link to your product page. Open it in a new tab to see how it looks. Ensure your cover art, title, and description are all visible. If customers click on your store name, they'll see your store page. Make sure your store is set up to look professional. Go to the store section in Payhip and click Launch Your Store Builder. Customize the About Me section and add any necessary images or information. Finally, you need to set up your payment methods. Go back to the main page and click Set Up Checkout. You can link either your PayPal account or your Stripe account. Follow the prompts to link your account. Once linked, customers can pay for your products seamlessly. To share your product, use the provided URL. You can put this link on your social media, swipe up links on Instagram, YouTube descriptions, and more. And that's it. You've successfully set up a way to sell digital products for free. I hope this tutorial helped you. Happy selling, and I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.